अगर आर्या और मैडी मिलते हैं तो क्या होगा?
ये बहुत अच्छा
हम
सवाल है।
कार्तिक को भी डाल देते हैं।
नहीं अगर मैडी आर्या से मिलता है तो सबसे पहले मैं जाऊंगा, उसके दोनों कंधों को पकड़ूंगा और एक हक दूंगा और उसको बोलूंगा बॉस यू आर द मैन एंड और ये भी मैं कहूंगा कि सुन ले भाई, देख तेरे दिल में जितना प्यार है ना वो दिल में रख के कोई फायदा नहीं है, कभी कभी बाहर भी उसका इजहार भी क्या कर, वरना अच्छी खासी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाएगी। यू हैव अ लवली वाइफ, make sure you make a little bit of effort to show what is there in your heart.
For all film-related interviews, reviews and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Maddie and Surveen, can I just applaud the two of you? Decoupled, मैंने कुछ देखे हैं. I was cracking up. I was literally cracking up and loving it. So Maddie, I'm going to tell you what I told you off before we started recording. Arya could be my alter ego, yeah.
Wow.
He is. Finally, एक ऐसी जर्नलिस्ट जो कह रही है कि मैं आर्या की तरह हूँ and not somebody who hates Arya.
No, because I'm just.
मुझे तो इतना प्यार था that I wanted to play Arya. What are you saying, Maddie?
You know, also Surveen, I know because the way she is, she says things the way it is, could have been a good Arya too.
है ना? Thank you यार.
Agreed.
Thank you. मैं बोल देती हूँ. मेरा तो real life में ही filter नहीं है.
सही में. And imagine, and you know, when I was watching the show, I thought, what if my thought bubble had a voice? I would get cancelled because Arya was just reacting to things that I react to.
Yeah, that's how well. I think Manu did a fabulous job of writing that character.
But you know, Surveen also would agree with me. Maddie, you have that image now of the boy next door. In Punjabi, they say the Biba Munda. घर जिसको लेकर जाते हैं. You have.
That should be the title of my next movie, Biba Munda.
Biba Munda is a साऊ मुंडा. कितना साऊ है ये मुंडा?
कितना साऊ है और ये मुंडा देख के तो भैया आप बोलेंगे ये क्या है? You have kind of like totally destroyed that image that you have with Arya. Was it something you were waiting for?
Yeah. I was waiting for something like this. Yeah, क्योंकि actually to tell you the truth ना पूजा, ये जो should be doing in English or Hindi?
जैसे भी यार इंग्लिश में करते हैं.
हाँ. So to tell you the truth ना, ये जो आप कह रहे हो ना कि आप अंदर से आर्या हो, मैं भी वैसे ही हूँ. मैं अंदर से आर्या हूँ यार. फर्क ये है कि ना मैं थोड़ा डरपोक हूँ, मैं उतना बोल नहीं पाता. सुरवीन नहीं है, सुरवीन बोल देती है. तो ना ऐसी कई चीजें जो मैं असली लाइफ में कहना चाह रहा था, तो मैं आर्या के थ्रू कह रहा हूँ. और चैलेंज ये था कि उसको मतलब कमीना ना बनाते हुए कैसे उसको मुंडा बना दें, जैसा आप कह रही थी. वो मेरे लिए एक चैलेंज था. बट आई एग्री विद मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टफ दैट आर्या सेड. क्या बताऊं?
I mean, they say na high five to that totally. I mean, imagine everyone thinks of you as Karthik of Ala Payu se yaar, यहाँ आर्या मिल जाए. So I mean, किसको क्या पता था 20 साल बाद ये हो जाएगा कार्तिक को, ऐसा बना.
I swear मैंने वही सोचा था. अलग फायदे के 20 साल बाद बन गया आर्या. आई.
But then Surveen, coming to you, Shruti, who is, I don't know to say the bitter half of Arya or his better half. I like her also. Yaar. I mean, she's just the woman who also resonates. So थोड़ा resonance मिला since I know you and I aspire to be Arya. But थोड़ा resonance मिला.
हाँ काफी मिला, लेकिन in personal life मेरा reaction श्रुति से कहीं ज्यादा बड़ा है. Because मेरा कोई, like I said, कोई filter नहीं है, तो मैं सब कुछ जो दिल में आता है, because of that I think in real life I'm pretty misconstrued as a person, as a human being, whether it's amongst friends की जो है मुंह पे बोल देगी. Some friends also appreciate that, like how you're really appreciating Arya for as a character कि यार कमाल है यार कि जो मुंह में आता है, जो दिमाग में आया, बबल में आया, जैसे you're saying ना, वो बोल दिया. But उसके अलावा काफी resonance है. As a mother, hands-on, you know, there is no way she would want, and I'm sure no mother would want that कि उसका बच्चा जो है वो आपस के झगड़ों या तनाव की वजह से should get affected. Apart from that, she's driven, she's ambitious. But what I liked about her most was that इतना मतलब थक चुकी है वो आर्या से, and which is not the Arya that she got married to, और इतना immunity हो गई है उसकी अब. She's now immune to Arya. And but फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं वो एक प्यार है जो ऑर्गेनिकली जब आप शो आगे देखोगे, you've seen 2 episodes, right?
I've seen 2 episodes.
When you go on further, you'll see वो ऐसे moments ऐसे कई बीच में between आर्या and श्रुति ऐसे blossom होते हैं, and then you realize कि यार दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए, दोनों के दिल में they have love for each other, it's not yet lost, and you feel like अरे यार बस हो जाना चाहिए. Why are they separating? Or, you know, you'll feel that, and I feel like that vulnerability and that moment where she's kind of, you know, pretty emotionally naked and the real love comes out. I think that to play that was a bit challenging that way, to keep that little bit of stoicness and yet not have the spite and the animosity for the Arya who literally she can't tolerate anymore in her life.
But you know, Surveen, there was a scene. I'm sorry, this is going to be a little bit of a reveal, but there's a scene where Arya is having a problem trying to put on his underwear in the men's room. Remember? And then there's a party in the evening, and मतलब मेरे को पता ही नहीं चलता कि वो सीन मैं करूं कैसे, लेकिन मैंने बड़े सिंसियरिटी के साथ वो सीन किया कि मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको कि भाई आदमी को ना अब चड्डी टॉवल के साथ चड्डी पहनने में क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है, ठीक है, और वो मतलब बड़े सिंसियरिटी के साथ बता रहा है. एंड द वे Surveen रिएक्टेड एज श्रुति, मुझे वाकई में लगा कि अगर मैं इस आदमी का पत्नी होता ना तो मैं बिल्कुल ऐसे रिएक्ट करता हूँ. एंड she didn't miss a note, she was perfect, spot on कि भाई तुमको ये सब इस माहौल में बताने की क्या जरूरत है भाई. मतलब I mean, I think the beauty of the way it was written is he writes he does the most ridiculous things in the most ridiculous places.
Yeah.
And Shruti's reaction is spot on. Matlab, you want to say everything that Surveen is saying at that point of time.
Totally. And you know, Arya sitting in that restaurant and commenting on that people having that lovey-dovey moment is actually.
I mean, you just imagine a husband doing that. What is a wife to do? Please explain.
But husband and wife we were as an husband and wife, we were also mocking them together. Now, तू भी तो कह रही थी कि पूरा
mocking them मतलब was between the two of us, ना, between the husband and wife. अभी उसको public बनाने की क्या जरूरत है? वही है ना.
पर आग लग गई, अभी क्या करें?
अरे but शादी से पहले बताया होता तो शादी होती नहीं ना, decoupling तक पहुंचते नहीं, coupling ही नहीं होती तो decoupling कहाँ से होती?
You know, but you know, Surveen, many of my friends tell me if they knew what life would be with their husband, they would have thought again. But you are two happily married people. तुम्हारे partners ने देखा है कि क्या हरकत है, और when you said this actually could be me in real, or did they say like दिख रहा है मुझे कुछ दिख रहा है?
नहीं यार.
You must. Sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Surveen, your turn.
हाँ नहीं, partners से बोला है, मतलब मुझे तो लगता है कि between both partners, and I say that for because I know Maddie and Sarita now well enough to understand that I think the beauty is, and that's been my very very big learning from the show also. उससे पहले भी पता था, लेकिन ऐसे ही in your face आ गया because you're actually playing the part कि वो जो space to be able to be your own person with the kind of changes जो हमारी life में आ रहे हैं ना, वो I think बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. वो acceptance, lower down your expectations and the key is lower your expectations. जो पहले दिन पे था वो अभी नहीं होने वाला है because people are actually either coming into their own now. वो जो थोड़ा सा एक बहुत lovey dovey is the wrong word to say, but जो एक rosy facade था, which was everything's great facade, you know, everything's great about this person, वो actually वैसा नहीं होता. और the other side of it is कि अगर वो है भी तो you have to give another person the room to be able to change, because life में अभी change तो constant है. हम इंसान, we grow as people, we evolve as people, we all have different life experiences. तो उसकी वजह से इंसान बदलेगा. तो आज वो वैसा नहीं है, लेकिन उसके तरीके वैसे ही हैं. प्यार वही है, बट प्यार दिखाने का तरीका अलग है. अभी वो नहीं करना ना, अभी तो लड़की जेब में है तो वो तो करना नहीं है. प्यार बरकरार है. तो I think to be able to understand that, I think me and my husband have had a lot of conversations, especially after the show. We've had them before, but especially after the show, because you know the moments that Arya and Shruti share, they just resonate with our lives. ऐसा लगता है अरे यार मनु ने ना घर उठा के स्क्रिप्ट में पेपर पे डाल दिया. Literally, it was when we read it also, it was so familiar.
Maddie, what about you? He and Sarita like been married for years. अभी ये देखकर Sarita क्या कह रही है कि like
कि जो चीजें तेरे को मेरे सामने करने की हिम्मत नहीं थी वो तूने पूरा कर दिखाना ना. But she's actually she's a very strong woman यार. तो मुझे पता है एक सीक्रेट बताता हूँ, ठीक है? कुछ लोग होते हैं ना कि जब वो वेटर को ऑर्डर देते हैं तो एक मेनू का डिश उठाते हैं और उसको अपने तरीके से बनाने को बोलते हैं कि भाई उसमें ना जीरा कम डालना और चाट मसाला बाद में डालना, या फिर उसको उबालने के बाद, पूरा प्रोसेस बताते हैं उनको, ठीक है? और मुझे इतना नर्वसनेस होता है क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि साला ये नर्वस, ये वेटर ने कहीं गलती कर दी ना तो आज शाम को तो बैंड बज रही है. मतलब मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि आज मैं बोलूंगा कि क्यों छोड़ना यार, जो लिखा हुआ है मैंने वो खा लेते, तेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है, तू मुझे क्यों लेके आया यहाँ पे, ये सब कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू हो जाएगा. तो मैं बोलता ही नहीं वेटरों के बारे में और वेटर के बारे में कुछ. बट इस सीरियल में मुझे बहुत मौका मिला ये उन सारी चीजों के बारे में बात करने के लिए, बात करने की जो मुझे, हाँ, which I didn't have the guts to do in real life.
You know, but the fact is, I'll be honest with you, I see my own parents, I'm sure you've observed your parents, after some time, married couples, the way they bicker are like little children in kindergarten. They're more like siblings. Don't you think so?
Absolutely. Absolutely. And I think that's where the love is. See, the thing is to expect you to coochie coo for the rest of your life. It's just a little too much. And when Surveen says that, you know, lower your expectation, it means basically that you yourself will get bored out of that mundane.
Absolutely.
Oh, I love you so much, and you love me so much, and we're there for the rest of our lives, and let's have. Oh, that's not the kind of world we are ever going to find. It's too bohemian. It's too, what do you call?
Totally.
You know,
so, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे? The decoupling couple. What will you tell to those couples who keep putting up their posts for social media validation? As I was told that Manu told me, Shruti and Arya like Instagram. Twitter versus Instagram.
You mean Instagram couples?
Twitter versus Instagram is how Manu Joseph has described the two of you. Basically, it's Twitter versus Instagram. But आजकल वो जो, what advice would you? Now I'm talking about Shruti and Arya. Would you want to give to couples जो सोशल मीडिया जिनको वैलिडेशन चाहिए होता है? बिकॉज आजकल अगर सोशल मीडिया में आप दिखे नहीं तो आपका प्यार कहाँ है?
पता नहीं यार, को वैलिडेशन, कपल्स का वैलिडेशन नहीं, हर एक चीज के लिए, मेरी आंख कैसी है, मेरा नाक कैसा है, मेरा चेहरा कैसा है, मैं कितनी
फिल्टर लगा दो,
क्यों फिल्टर लगा दो. मतलब मैं इसके बारे में ना कमेंट ना करूं क्योंकि मैं ऐसे आग बबूली हो जाऊंगी.
और फिर आर्या की तरह आप भी,
क्योंकि मैं बोल दूंगी. तो आई रादर बी क्वाइट एंड दिस इज ऑल दैट आई श्रुति एक्सपेक्ट्स फ्रॉम आर्या कि यार चुप रहे, पता है ना कुछ अनाप शनाप बोलने वाला तो चुप रहे.
बट सुरवीन क्या बोलेगी?
मैं कर पाती हूँ.
सुरवीन क्या बोलेगी?
मैं कर पाती हूँ, मैं ना कमेंट करूँ तो बेटर है, क्योंकि मुझे ऑनेस्टली इट्स बियॉन्ड मी टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. पीडीए नहीं, अभी वो इंस्टाग्राम आईडीए हो गया. इट्स इंस्टाग्राम डिस्प्ले ऑफ अफेक्शन. तो आई मीन टू ईच हिज ओन. बट
मारी आप क्या बोलोगे? तो सोशल मीडिया
मैं यही बोलूंगा कि ना थक जाओगे आप लोग, ये ना ये दिखावा कर करके ना थक जाओगे. क्योंकि एक डायलॉग है जो आर्या कहता है इसी सीरीज में कि एक औरत से मिलता है और वो कहता है कि यार आप अलग दिखते हो इंस्टाग्राम से. तो कहती है अच्छा कि बुरा है? कहता है कि नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि ना लोगों को सबसे खराब फोटोग्राफ ना इंस्टाग्राम में डाल देना चाहिए, ताकि जब उनसे आप रियल में मिलते हो तो आप खुश हो जाते हो कि भाई वो दिखने में अच्छे हैं. लोग अपना सबसे अच्छा फोटो डाल देते हैं, फिर सबको जब मिलते हो तो लगता है कि अरे ये उतने अच्छे नहीं जितना इंस्टाग्राम में दिख रहे थे.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है इंस्टाग्राम का वीडियो या रील या व्हाटएवर बनाने से बेहतर है अगर आप वो 4 जो मोमेंट्स है साथ में बता लोगे, शायद ये मोमेंट ऐसे ऑर्गेनिकली क्रिएट ही हो जाए आप दोनों के बीच में. ऑनेस्टली मैं बता रही हूँ.
And you know when the couple, हाँ जी Maddie, what were you saying?
I was just saying कि you know ये दिखावा करते करते ना लोग थक जाएंगे, फिर आपको भी यकीन हो जाएगा कि आप भी एक्चुअली ऐसे ही हो. फिर एक दिन आप मिरर में देखोगे एक दूसरे को साथ में, बोलोगे नहीं यार ये तो हम बहुत डिटोरेट कर गए. तो जो इमेज आप प्रोजेक्ट करना चाहते हो ना इंस्टाग्राम में, उसके हिसाब से जिंदगी जीना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. आई थिंक यू शुड कीप इट रियल.
Absolutely. But could you relate to Arya's angst and sarcasm, Maddie?
Completely.
Do you think you could also stay true the way he does as an actor? I don't think you can. Na? Just cancel ho jaoge.
Yeah. No, not cancel. I'm not really worried about shit like that. I'm only worried about the fact that I am dictated by my conditioning and my social norms and a certain upbringing, which does not allow me to, verbalize everything that I find angsty around me. But Arya has got no social filters at all. In which case, the idea is to say things that you will find amusing and also learn from a little bit. Now, I mean, like you said, no, Pooja, that you see your soulmate in Arya. But I don't think you'll be able to go out and do the things that he actually does. It's impossible, right? Absolutely. But he तो it's a lovely opportunity for me to play out that character.
Totally. So Sureen, he's shaken up his sweet Biba Munda image with this. But when it came to you to play Shruti, what was the main reason that you said that she ticks the boxes for me to lend my face to this character?
Yeah, I think I find it very interesting that, parts that I can bring a little part of myself in there and just like dive into it. Sometimes it does become important for me. And sometimes when parts resonate with you so much, you feel like this is what you want to do. Like, the other before Decoupled, the last few characters that I've played have been extremely dark. The reasons I actually did those parts were because I just couldn't resonate with them.
Okay.
And I think that's the beauty of it all, that when characters come to you, or as an artist, every time you have a different reason to play that part, and every time there's a different reason that excites you about it. With me, for Shruti, A, the way she was, B, I hadn't tried my hands on humor at all, ever. And I really wanted to do something that I haven't ticked that box for. B, I think playing Shruti with having Arya on the other side, Maddie on the other side, was like, oh my God. Like, I actually disclosed it yesterday to him. I mean, not that I really need to, but I've been like a huge Maddie fan. But
who hasn't ये बताओ? Who hasn't ये बताओ?
Who is it exactly? तो ये मतलब ऐसा था कि ये तो but obvious है. इसको क्या मैं अभी underline करके बोलूं? Then I think the whole team. But before everything else, there's Hardik, there's Manu, there's Vikram, Sejal from Bombay Fables. But I think more than anything else, it was Manu's writing that just kind of, nailed and sealed the deal for me, because I'd only read 2 episodes and I was on the floor laughing. मतलब, like I said before, ना, ऐसा लग रहा था, lines were so familiar, ऐसा लग रहा था यार कोई लिख कैसे सकता है ये?
Absolutely.
इतना बढ़िया, इतना incredible writing थी कि कमाल था. And then my language is, I think in English. तो मेरे लिए ऐसा था कि यार आ जाओ, चलो कुछ करते हैं कमाल, because thinking language में आपका जो डायलॉग है, वो राइटिंग इतनी बढ़िया थी कि वो डायलॉग एक्चुअली ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार ये तो मैं बातचीत कर रही हूँ. और हमारे सेट पे भी ऐसा ही हुआ. We used to have like really really long takes, Maddie and me. और उसमें improvise भी करते थे, पहले rehearse भी करते थे. लेकिन Maddie, I don't think we ever had a problem with our lines, na, both of us.
No, I mean, what, as a viewer, I feel that you were just totally in sync. Though Arya or Shruti ka dikha rahe hain sync out hai, but for the viewer, you are totally in sync. And I'm saying that, and not because I'm talking to you, this is just actually coming from a very honest place, because I cracked up looking at the two of you. And, honestly, and, Maddie, as Sureen भी कह रही थी, रहना है तेरे दिल में ही चल रहा है आपकी फीमेल फैंस के साथ. I don't know उनका बेचारों के क्या भ्रम टूटेंगे Arya और आपका at ease with Arya देखकर. But tell me honestly, how has the process changed? I mean, you have been the poster boy of क्या मैं बोलूं, cool, sex appeal, जो भी कह दो यार. अब आप Arya play कर रहे हो, and now you're also directing a film and somebody who is wanting to do other things.
Yeah, see, the thing is, one has to keep changing. जैसे सरिता कहते, can you please have a little bit of age appropriate behavior? क्या ये फोटो डालते तो post shower selfie ये वो डाल के, it's not appropriate. मुझे लगता है she's jealous. I keep telling her, but actually she's right. मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आता कि मैं ये करता क्यों. तो मैं और संयम में आ गया हूँ. I don't try to do that anymore. But I think that to be called all that you're calling me, which I'm even embarrassed to repeat, but it's a little too much for my age. It's really too much. There's Hrithik Roshan, that all that will fit into, okay? Because he looks the same that he did 20 years ago, man. I don't know how he manages. He looks better, actually. And he's extraordinary. Yeah. But I think my game is in trying to keep myself aspirational in the things that I do, that I want to make sure that I relate to my son's age group also. मैं उनसे बहुत सीखता हूँ यार. मतलब मैं जब अपने बेटे के दोस्तों से मिलता हूँ, मैं बैठ के ना स्टूडेंट बन जाता हूँ. मैं उनकी बातें सुनता हूँ और इतनी मैच्योरिटी है उनमें, इतनी मैच्योरिटी है कि मैं I think it's an extraordinary thing to keep evolving. What else am I going to do? I mean, I can't keep doing रहना है तेरे दिल में for the next 30 years of my life.
वो लोग तो चाहते हैं आप करते रहो, but I'm glad.
कैसे हो सकता है यार? Can you imagine?
So we are looking forward to that. And जाते जाते आप दोनों मुझे ये बताओ. पहले I'll start with Surveen. Surveen, if Shruti was to meet Surveen across, क्या conversation होगा उन दोनों का?
I think the conversation clearly will be about the men in their lives. I mean, imagine ना two women meeting, कहीं ना कहीं गाड़ी घूम फिर के वहां आ जाती है, right? तो apart from हाँ जी काम वाम कैसा चल रहा है, I think they will definitely be only talking about men in their lives. I think Surveen will have much lesser inputs to give than Shruti because she's already on the edge, and so it'll be a pretty interesting conversation, yeah. जबकि हाँ एक चीज होगी कि advice that Surveen will give to Shruti would be that, you know, just hang in there a little more and try a little more and don't give up so soon, because that I completely disagree with. On that front, I'm definitely not Shruti.
Totally. And Maddie, आप बताइए, अगर आर्या और मैडी मिलते हैं तो क्या होगा?
ये बहुत अच्छा
हम
सवाल है।
कार्तिक को भी डाल देते हैं।
नहीं अगर मैडी आर्या से मिलता है तो सबसे पहले मैं जाऊंगा, उसके दोनों कंधों को पकड़ूंगा और एक हक दूंगा और उसको बोलूंगा, बॉस यू आर द मैन। एंड और ये भी मैं कहूंगा कि सुन ले भाई, देख तेरे दिल में जितना प्यार है ना, वो दिल में रख के कोई फायदा नहीं है, कभी कभी बाहर भी उसका इजहार भी क्या कर, वरना अच्छी खासी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाएगी। यू हैव अ लवली वाइफ, make sure you make a little bit of effort to show what is there in your heart quite explicitly so that there is no doubt.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. And याद है जब Gwyneth Paltrow ने अपना consciously decoupling करा था, सब कितना हंसे थे उस पर।
हाँ। Can you believe it?
Exactly. But it's a nice take on urban relationships. I'm sure सबके कहानी घर घर की as if it's happening. You know, the thing is, but thank you so much. I'm looking forward to watch the remaining episodes and hopefully a season 2, yeah?
Hopefully,
hey, Pooja, you really made it
you guys are
so
going to make
good.
it happen. Yeah, really.
All the very best. And now this is a couple I don't want to see decoupled, but looking forward to it. All the very best.
Thank you
Love
so
you, Pooja.
much.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you. And Happy New Year. I hope we meet
Oh,
in
yes.
person.
Merry Christmas.
Yes, my
Happy
lady.
New Year.
You too,
मैडी,
Pooja.
आप भी
Take
अपने
care.
विश कर दो सब फैंस को, नहीं तो बोलेंगे मैडी ने नहीं विश किया, सुरवीन ने
नहीं,
सुरवीन ने ही किया है।
I'm trying to get in the
मैंने
word
बोल दिया।
sideways. फिर भी बोल रही है। मुझे बोलने दे यार। Wish you all a very, very happy New Year, a Merry Christmas, and a wonderful year ahead.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Pooja. Much love.
Bye.
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 Thank
Bye.
you. Lots of love.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.